Today, we are the group that will present about the library management system website that uses HTML, PHP, and CSS integrated with a corresponding MySQL database. Together with my group mates, Aaron Briones, Sean Alec Blanca, Alia Ribarawad, and Irma Ulim.
For sign up function, so kapag new user kayo, need nyo po muna mag-sign up sa library website through creating your own login credentials para makagawa kayo ng account sa website. And then, after nyo mag-sign up, makaka-receive kayo ng student ID, and then, ayun, registered na kayo sa library. And then, ayan, enter password, username, and verification code. After that, punta tayo sa admin login. So, dito naman po sa login function, so, para makapasok po kayo as administrator and user ng website, need nyo po muna mag-login para magamit nyo po yung mga iba't ibang functions po ng mga nandun po sa website. So, in this dashboard, need nyo po muna mag-login ulit as admin dashboard, and then you can oversee the status of the library like the number of books, yung listed categories, the authors, and then yung time kung kailan mo binalik yung book, at yung mga bilang ng mga registered users.
So managing and adding book category. In this function, the administrator of the website can manage the book categories in the library, as well as adding more categories. Also, the admin can change the status of the categories between active and inactive to determine if there are existing books in the library under the certain category. Sa managing and adding book authors naman, in this function, the administrator of the website can manage the book authors in the library, as well as adding more authors. Also, the admin can edit the names and delete authors.
So sa managing books naman po, so the administrator can edit the details of the books as well as deleting them. So sa adding books naman po, so the administrator can add books in the library. So they will need to input the book title, category, author, the IBSN number, and the price to successfully add a book in the library.
Next is issuing a new book. So now in this function, this can be used when a student is borrowing a book from the library. The administrator needs to input the student ID and the IBSN number of the book that the student is borrowing to successfully issue a book. Next is managing issued books. This is for the admin only. The administrator can view the students who borrowed and returned books. Also, the administrator can change the status of the student when the student is returning the book.
So dito po sa managing registered students, this is for the admin only. The administrator can view all the students who are registered or signed up using the sign up function of the library website. Also, the admin can change the status of the student between active and inactive. Then, sa change password naman po, this is for the admin and user. So the admin and the admin and the user can change their passwords in their account whenever they want. Then, sa logout function naman po, the user and the administrator can use this function to safely exit their accounts. Then, so, maglalagin naman po tayo sa as user sa ating website. Then, so sa user dashboard naman po, in this dashboard, the user can see the number of the books that are issued in their account. Then, yung number of books naman po na hindi pa po na-return. So, pwede din po dito mag-update po ng profile po sa as a user. So, pwede po natin ditong palitan yung pangalan ng student and yung phone number po nila. And that's it po sa ating website. Then, dadako naman po tayo sa ating database. So, nakita po natin sa authors po ay in-update po natin yung name na Ana Marita into Ana Princess Marita. So, nakita naman po natin dito na update po siya ngayon. And, yun po. Then, connected po yung database po sa website po natin. Then po sa table naman po ng books, kanina po nag-add tayo ng isang book na title niya po ay title. Then, nag-update naman po siya dito. Then, connected naman po siya. Then, for the categories naman po, nag-add din po tayo ng isa pang categories which is fiction. Then, sa issued books naman po ay nag-update din po tayo. So, si student ID 15 po, yun siya, example po ay siya po yung humiram po ng isang book po sa library. Then po sa students naman po, yan po, kanina po tayo ay nag-sign up as John Doe. So, yan po, ang SID po niya is 18 and nag-update naman po siya. And that's it for our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.